Ho, 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 West Riding fans. We've got another arrival for you just before Christmas, 2024. And it's this beautiful Almond Green 4-door saloon. So, 1964, Duotone saloon. Lovely paintwork, as you can see. I'm not going to say it's perfect, because you never say anything's perfect in this job, unless you're stupid, which I are. Obviously, don't answer that question. But anyway, yeah. So, no bubbles, no nastiness, no snots on the paintwork. Really nice shine to it, stands out. Certainly grabs attention when you're out and about. It's a 1964 Duotone model. It's got a 1098cc engine fitted. Runs and drives really nicely. The underside is very, very good. Obviously, I'm not going to get on my hands and knees, but you'll have to take my word for it. We've scraped it off from one end to the other. We've put some new chassis legs on the front, just to make sure it's all as it should be for its new owner, which is, to be fair, that's part of the reason that you buy from us. I mean, obviously, I know that our cars are more expensive than cars that you buy on somebody's drive or from the run-of-the-mill, I don't know, normal car dealer or classic car dealer, but the reason you buy from us, being a minor centre, is that we do check all of them, scrape them off, make sure they're all good, mechanically service them, check the brakes, check the wheel cylinders, all the fluids, you know, give it a full going over before it comes out, and then you've got your warranty on it as well. So basically, that is why you buy from us. Obviously, you get a 3-month warranty and a 12-month MOT of it as well. Yeah, anyway, so more back on this car. The chrome work's all in good order. The paintwork's lovely. It's got a really nice shine to it. No bubbling on the doors. For a 4-door, it's really good. There's no actual... All the fit on the 4 doors is good, which you don't always get, to be fair. I don't know why. Tailgate's all good. It's a pull start model, banjo steering wheel, gold clock, which obviously, if you know about minors, you would expect from a Duotone, but that's the little bit of class that I like the best. Personally, I like the Duotone interior best out of them all. I don't know what that says about me, but they've just got that little bit of class about them. A little bit different, and really nice. This one, interior-wise, it's all really nice and original. But it's in really good order. I am trying my hardest and biting my lip not to use the P word, but the headlining's all in good order. Door cards and pulls all in good order. The seats, although aged, as are the cards and everything, no rips or tears, and they look great. And to be fair, sometimes I think it's a bit better for them to be like this in their original state than when they're all brand spanking new. There's just a little bit more about them, to be fair. A bit more, I don't know, a bit more of a backstory maybe, without using the P word. Right, okay, so it's got 6,854 miles on her, on the old gold clock. Glove box line is all good, parcel shelf's in really good order, interior mirror's in good order, look, you can see me there doing the video, interior lights in good order, everything about it's really nice. The steering wheel's really, really nice, in fact. Yeah, so it runs and drives really well. Absolutely bags of class about it. Start her up, she runs really well. Nice smooth transmission on her when you're out and about driving. The suspension's all nice and good. The doors all open and close nicely. Just a little bit more of a look in the back door. Nice carpets, nice clean door apertures, nothing untoward there. It is just a really nice, clean, honest, good car. As you can see, all nice and tidy in the engine bay. She had a new radiator fitted, we did that. Also, as you can see, the engine bay floor's been painted because we put those new chassis legs in it, making sure everything were alright. Runs and drives really well. Nice smooth suspension, as one would expect her to be or to have. Drives well. Engine's good, 1098 as I've said before. Gearbox is good, nice and smooth. Suspension's nice and smooth. Everything about it is really, really good. Just a little bit of a look in the boot. So the boot floor's got some sound deadening pads fitted to try and reduce noise. Inner wings are really nice and clean, as you can see there. The wings are all good on her as well. Literally, there's not a great deal negative to report about it. But the only way to find that out for yourself is to come to WRCC, Yorkshire Minor Centre, in Halifax, Southby Bridge, and have a look for yourself. You're more than welcome to have a look round, have a drive. We'll answer any questions that you've got. But it is a beauty, is this one. I don't see it being here long because it's so nice. Price is £11,250. You never know, if you ring up before Christmas and make us an offer, we might be in a very festive mood and do you a deal on her. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you very much, guys. Oh yeah, full details follow at www.westridingclassics.co.uk this afternoon. This is obviously on our YouTube channel, which you're probably watching it on. Or you can send an email at inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk or ring 01422 288 1221. Speak to Dan in sales, that's me, and I'll answer any questions you've got. Cheers, guys.